So tell me, you're happy, no? Kavi, you're happy, no?
Niranjan, why do you talk like that?
Because we are married from last 8 years. And till now we don't have any kids.
Niranjan, if not now, then later we'll have it. We are still not that old yet.
Anyways, doctor has said that the problem is with my sperms.
Oh, come on, Niranjan, you're too much. Doctors have said everything will be fine. Then why do you have to worry about it?
Kavita, what am I supposed to do? I only think about how we will grow our
Now
family.
you're just talking like oldies. I told you that this year will be lucky for us. And tell me one thing, Niranjan, don't you think I love you?
It's not like that. The fault lies within me, but still you have loved me.
Niranjan, the fault is not within you. If the Almighty wants, everything will be fine. Where are you going for so many
I'm
days?
going for some marketing job and I'll be back within 2-3 months. Okay, right?
So many days. And how will I live without you?
Arey Baba, do shopping, watch serials and enjoy.
I am not going alone for the shopping.
Baba, do one thing. When I'll return, we both will go together. We'll enjoy together.
I will be waiting for you.
Okay. See you. Bye.
Bye. Oh God. Oh.
What happened? Can I help you?
Yeah, sure. I don't know what's wrong. I kept checking, but it doesn't start.
Let me check.
Okay.
Petrol there?
I don't know. Should I check it?
Come. Please check.
Thanks. If you wouldn't have been there, then I couldn't have managed it.
No problem. These things are common in scooties. This thing happens in my scooty also. This needs servicing.
Yeah, it needs it. And even me as well.
What?
By the way, thanks. And I didn't mean anything else. Thank you. Okay,
Yeah,
I'll see you.
bye. Welcome.
Hey, hi.
Oh, hi.
Do you come here daily?
Yes. I love to jog every day.
Oh, that's nice.
What about you?
I do come here, but sometimes. And by the way, I am Kavita.
Hi, I'm Gaurav.
So you stay here nearby?
Yes. Do you know the Shiv colony? I have shifted there only. Actually, I'm a student. And my parents stays in Rajasthan. And that is why. What about you?
I stay nearby in Anuj Nagar in a bungalow and it belongs to my husband. Since last year, me and my husband are living in this bungalow. By the way, what's your qualification?
BSc in microbiology.
Oh, sounds good.
I love microbiology. Sure.
Right. In fact, we should do things what our heart says. And tell me more about yourself.
All is well with
And
me.
what's new? How are your studies going on?
Very nice.
By the way, this is my bungalow.
Nice bungalow.
Thank you.
So, let's catch up tomorrow.
Definitely we'll meet. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
See you tomorrow. Hey, Kavita.
Yeah.
Let me help you. Wait,
no,
let me help
not
you.
an
Let me
issue.
help you. It's such a big bag. You are not able to lift it. So, where have you been?
I've just come from the market. I've got some stuff. And tell me what's going on.
Everything is fine. You say?
Nothing special.
Let me tell you something. You're very beautiful.
Yeah. Keep it over here. Thank you.
You don't need to thank me. It's my pleasure.
By the way, you have helped me for the second time.
So this time I can expect a coffee from you?
Yeah, sure, why not? You sit over here, I'll be right back
Yes,
with the
yes,
coffee.
By the way, I've never seen your husband till now.
Coffee? Actually, he mostly bees on tours only.
Oh,
Cheers.
wow. What a coffee. What a lovely coffee you've made.
Thank you. By the way, do you have your food from outside?
Actually I cook in my home only. I'm a good cook.
Wow. And when are you inviting me?
Whenever you say.
Okay. Okay, so let's do one thing. You come over here on Sunday, we'll cook over here something, and we'll eat together and have fun together.
Wow, that's a great idea. I'll do one thing. I'll come at 10 o'clock Sunday morning.
Definitely.
Nice.
Thank you. Hey, Gaurav. Do take my contact number, okay? If you need things related to cooking, do message me back, okay?
Please tell me your number.
9928635491.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I've given you a missed
Okay. Bye.
call. Bye.
Oh wow, you're really an amazing cook. By the way, I didn't have this thought. From tomorrow, do send me a tiffin every day, okay? Actually, I'm really tired and bored of cooking every day alone.
Why not? Here.
By the way, where did you learn cooking from?
From YouTube. You know what? I am a big time foodie and I cannot afford buying food from outside every day. So, I have learned all of this from myself only.
Actually, I wasn't really sure that you're such a great cook.
Thank you.
By the way, you cook way much better than me.
Wow. Thank you. Hey, listen. These days you are going out with all newlyweds, isn't it? What? What no? Yesterday evening I saw you. When? with one beautiful lady. You were going like a coolie to her house. When? When? Yesterday evening. Anything. Anything. So why don't you see this? I have evidence with me. Okay, this. Yes, this. Do you remember? Oh, we had a good friendship during jogging time. And we are just friends, nothing else. Hey kid. Listen, the friendship that starts before the jogging, that ends after the jogging. Do you understand? So before you say something, can I tell you something? She is married. So there is no problem. There is no tension with married women. Don't you see anything beyond this? Listen, bro. I am talking very natural things. A man and a woman can never be friends. Only that thing can happen, which is natural. And there is no bad in such natural things. Don't worry, bro. Is this marijuana? Are you high? Yes. Listen, I can guarantee you, if you will approach her, she won't say no. Are you mad or what? Listen, it's very safe to have relationship with a married woman. If anyone is married, there is no chance of falling in love. And about having fun, then there is no problem, brother. To keep a relationship with a married woman is very, very safe. She is not like that, friend. How do you know about her mind? First go and approach her and then flirt her. And if she says yes, or else you can say sorry. Done.